Rossi Grows is now mining BTC. This is an Antminer S9. I purchased it from eBay and it cost a whopping $89. Now the machine is running on the low power mode because if it goes on full power mode, it sounds like an airplane ready to take flight, and I can't deal with that. So I went to Best Buy, I bought some fans, and they had these cool little lights and LEDs and whatnot. I was like, yo, I'm gonna jazz up my Bitcoin miner. But unfortunately, that wasn't the case. I still wasn't able to configure it right. The plug was different, so I just put back the original fans. And it just so happened that you can turn down the fan speed in the settings, and now it works. It's quiet, it's running at half the power, and now I can go to sleep at night. But we're mining Bitcoin at the end of the day. Those colorful bright fans, they could have worked, but I ended up returning them back to Best Buy. So this is the setup going on now. I got the dryer heat vents connected to the duct system, and I'm getting ready for the final installation. So with that being said, I cranked up the watts to 100 more watts, now at 900 watts. And I'm getting an average of 10 to 12 terahashes of mining power with this Antminer S9. So this is the final setup right now. So that's the heat side. So it's blowing hot air back into the house, and it is sucking up cold air from the outside. So right now we got a cold air system for the miner, and it's doing its thing. So far so good, I can't complain. All right, let's purchase $1 Bitcoin. All right, so we're gonna get ready to send this to the crypto.com exchange. We're gonna pick the desired amount. Then we're gonna get our wallet address, bitcoin.com wallet address, boom, in the Cash App. Now we're gonna send it standard, and boom, there goes our money. It's in the crypto clouds. So what these Bitcoin miners do is they will verify the transaction on the blockchain. When it does that, you will receive crypto BTC mining rewards. In this case, I was buying and selling, and I just did a wallet transfer from one wallet to another wallet, which went from Bitcoin Cash App to now Bitcoin crypto.com. So as we patiently wait, this process took about maybe 30 to 40 minutes for it to hit the wallet. But as you can see, boom, there it is. The wallet transfer was complete. So I've been mining BTC for the last 8 days, and so far so good. I just put the watts to 900 watts. So now it should get an increase in terahashes. Therefore, I should get more Bitcoin rewards. Stay tuned. Happy mining. Rossi Grows.